increasingly coming around to the point of view that a little bit of experience is good. It helps you understand the practical aspects of what is being taught in an MBA program. Okay. The other point is that the student also becomes clear about why he wants to do MBA.
Yeah, like for example, we were freshers. हम लोगों को आइडिया नहीं था क्यों कर रहे हैं MBA. नहीं,
our batch had what I think 60% experienced people and I think 40% freshers. The success ratio is equally good, and many of these freshers have gone on to run successful businesses like you. Gone on to become CEOs of companies. Okay, so what is important is that you become clearer about what you want to do after MBA. Alright, it's not just one glamorous ticket that you get into. Like for example, people who get into ISB are very clear that they want to get into McKinsey. Okay, because McKinsey comes for campus recruitments over there. So some people are super thrilled. हमारे बैच में, if you remember, Amrao was one person who was very clear कि बस अपने को तो एडवर्टाइजिंग में ही जाना है. That is something which he was crystal clear about. You look at Gautam Kiawat, who joined PNG from campus. He was very clear, मेरे को सिर्फ PNG ही जाना है. Okay, they were very knowledgeable.